Hello everyone and welcome again to Independence Farm Eldoret. The main purpose of this video, as you can see, I have been feeding them using these feeders. You can see I have a plastic one there, and even you can see some are resting on top of the feeders, meaning their waste will enter into the feeders, and if you add feeds there, they will consume again, and that's usually the major cause of different poultry diseases. So I want to transfer these feeders so that they can just feed from the outside. These have been my chicken brooder, and I've used it for the past like 5 months now. You can also see on this other side, I have other chicks separate from the other group. These chicks, all of them, I have hatched them by myself. I've not purchased any of them. Those chicks that I've just shown you, they are the products of these mature hens here. These are Kenbro. So these hens will lay their egg, as you can see here. These are today's egg, and you can see I have 6 mature hens. So daily after laying their eggs like that, I usually collect the eggs and give them to these pure kienyeji chicks. So the trick that I usually do is that I will time when my kienyeji want to brood, and then I will replace their eggs with those of improved ones, and then they will produce the chicks, and this will be my perfect spot. So I will remove this wood from here and modify it so that I will create a wooden feeder from here, and the chicks will just remove their heads and feed. So meaning there will be no contact between the chickens and the feed and their feeds. So to construct this feeder, I will need a few local materials, and for my case, I will use these woods. I will reuse them because, as you can see, the way they are dirty, it means they were used somewhere else, and these are my nails. So I will look for 1.5 inch so that they'll not break these timbers. You can see this is a 3x1. So I use 3x1 and 1.5 inch nails. Follow me as I construct a wooden chicken feed. I will start by sorting, removing the nails from these woods. By doing some accurate measurements, you just fit here automatically without cutting any part. But this one here, you need some small adjustments. So just measure it well, chop or cut our measured portion. So here it is. That it's supposed to lock this area like this. So it must flush with this timber because the cover must cover both this one and the rest like that. So you must make sure that this and this are at the same level. See, I have just cut the 2 pieces. So this one will lay here like that, and then this one here like that. So you can see the feeder is coming up well. It looks very small, but it's very simple since it will help us avoid feed wastage. So at the end, I will remove this part, and they will use it to feed directly on this piece. I will show you everything. Hope you'll enjoy it. You can have a look at the progress there and see how it has come up so nicely. Let's do the other half too. It's supposed to be this way. I had measured it earlier, like that. So you make sure it flashes well. This is the part that I will remove later. So I have to cut it down now. So, see? Now we are fixing our feeder, and you must make sure both the top and the bottom flashed very well. You see that? Like that. If we remove this one, they will access the feeds from here. And just as simple as that. So you can see I have already removed the part that I was telling you, and you can see this will be their feeder. I will reduce this part so that they can't enter into the feeder or they can't mess up with the feeds. Yes, that's it. So use this one as a cover here. That's it. But you can see the chicks, yes, they can feed from this my made feeder, but they can come out from this space. I want to close that space now, and then I will practically put some feeds there. We shall see whether our feeder is usable. You can see now I'm hitting the last nail, and I'm sure you have enjoyed it, and you can see how I've done a good work. You can even tell me whether it's good or it's pathetic. Yes. Yes, so this is the final product of the chicken feeder that I was constructing, and you can see it is very simple, but it's delivering its purpose.